So, Florence, helping people understand why K. Leslie Graves talks about using a wellness model versus the prevention model in natural disasters, and its relationship to the recovery and respite effort, is what we will be concentrating on for a while.
Yes, Laura. The Japan-Haiti blog talk radio show, Charlene Lopez and K. Leslie Graves, they do not spend a minute discussing whether global warming can be prevented or even, if it exists. They simply look at the data, the scientific data from different governments and different private organizations. The space science community, they have technology that is seldom thought of or included when it comes to looking at rescue, recovery and the unmistakable occurrence of weather and earth anomalies such as tsunamis, flooding and earthquakes. No one can argue against the fact that Europe has had unusually cold weather this season, or the fact that a typhoon happened in the Philippines.
So, by a wellness model, the show, the Japan-Haiti radio show, it speaks to the wingspan nation's concept of preneed, the collection of dry good donations, and the agreements of services, such as the commitment of transportation, so that both stored goods, stockpiled locally, around the world can be delivered specific events, and those same transporters, such ships, can be used to get victims out for a period of respite. It seems so natural to realize that victims might want to leave the scene of a disaster or a trauma for a while, and besides being treated for trauma, efforts to bring family back together can be made.
We want people to understand how this preneed network can begin. Volunteers, students, retired people, or adults in their spare time. They can send a link to their local weather twice a week to japanhaitiradio@aol.com. When K. Leslie receives a weather link from countries where actual events are occurring, in the advent of a catastrophe, he will already have organized those mailers by region, and those people who took the time to send a simple link to their local weather, in the good times. They can be ready to communicate during the bad times, such as those we saw during Hurricane Katrina, in Haiti, in Chile, and in the events in Japan.
K. Leslie collects both news articles from around the world about actual events. He collects emails from volunteers around the world about bad weather conditions and other disturbances. He looks at government sources to understand where the earthquakes and other problems are around the world. Finally, he and Charlene bring that information to the radio show so that, as he says, no nation and no individual stands alone or is forgotten. He can have as many as 3 shows a week, if needed.
Everyone, be earth smart and listen to the Japan-Haiti radio show. Since we have the satellites and the technology to monitor our weather and other events from the sky, why not use it?
That is correct. And therefore, we want you to be space smart, too. Listen to both the Earth Moon Colony Books blog talk radio show and listen to the Japan-Haiti radio show today.